Lesson 8 Light and Shadows. Student, today we will understand characteristics of a shadow. A shadow has the following characteristics. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Student, we have to understand that shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. If you are facing the source of light, your shadow will form behind you. That is opposite to the source of light. A shadow is always black or grey, even if the object is colored. Whatever object is colored, but the shadow is always black or grey of that object. So we have to understand that shadow is always black or grey in color if even the object is colored. A shadow only shows the outline of the object and not the details. The size of the shadow depends on the distance between the object and the source of light. If you want to know what the size of the shadow, so it's depend on the distance between the object and the source of light, and also on the distance between the surface where shadow forms and the object whose shadow is being formed. So this is the characteristic of a shadow. Now we have to understand about activity 2. Aim to observe which type of object forms the darkest shadow. Materials required: a torch which is light source, a square glass piece which is transparent object, a hazy plastic square piece which is translucent object, a square cardboard piece which is opaque, and a wall that is screen. Now procedure. Number 1. Fix a torch on a table such that the bulb of the torch faces the wall. Number 2. Now light the torch and fix the glass piece in front of the torch. Number 3. Observe the wall for the shadow of the glass. Now number 4. Now replace the glass piece with hazy plastic piece and observe the shadow. Number 5. Repeat the same step with cardboard sheet and observe the shadow. Observation. In this procedure, we have to observe that light passes completely through the clear glass and no shadow is formed on the wall. Some light passes through the hazy plastic piece and some light is blocked, thus a blurred shadow forms on the wall. Cardboard sheet blocks the light completely, so clear dark shadow forms on the wall. Conclusion. Transparent objects do not form a shadow. In this activity, we have to understand that transparent objects do not form a shadow. Translucent objects form blurred shadows, and opaque object forms the dark shadows.